Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best Amlactin Lotion is probably one of the most talked about skincare products for a reason. Its unique formula with 15% lactic acid promises to transform your skin, but does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into Amlactin Lotion, exploring its benefits, how to use it, and who it's best suited for. We'll cover everything you need to know to decide if this lotion deserves a spot in your skincare routine. Number 5. Amlactin Intensive Healing Lotion. Are you tired of dry, flaky skin? This lotion is designed to gently exfoliate and deeply hydrate your skin. It's a multitasking moisturizer that reveals rejuvenated skin all around. This lotion uses 15% lactic acid, a gentle yet effective AHA, to exfoliate dead skin cells. At the same time, it intensely hydrates with 3 ceramides for rapid relief of dry skin. Clinical trials show significant skin improvements with 10% lactic acid or higher. This lotion contains the equivalent of 15% for potent skincare. This paraben-free, non-greasy formula is made without fragrance and is safe for sensitive skin. You can restore your skin with confidence. Amlactin is the dermatologist-recommended moisturizer brand with lactic acid. Its therapeutic formula works with your skin to boost its natural renewal process through gentle exfoliation. What we like? This lotion offers a dual-action approach, exfoliating and moisturizing simultaneously. It provides long-lasting hydration, keeping your skin smooth all day. If you have dry, flaky skin, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? It has saved my dry legs and it is all I need, including during cold, dry NYC winters. It does have a bit of a scent, not perfumey, just kind of clinical, but I'll take that any day if it means my skin doesn't feel like sandpaper. This lightweight lotion has been a game changer for my dry skin. What really sets it apart is how deeply it hydrates. It's the only product I've found that provides lasting relief for over 24 hours. Number 4. Amlactin Ultra Smoothing Body and Hand Cream. Introducing Amlactin Ultra Smoothing Cream. This powerful moisturizer gently exfoliates and deeply hydrates your skin, revealing a smoother, softer you. This award-winning formula uses 15% lactic acid, a gentle yet effective AHA. It exfoliates dead skin cells and promotes skin cell turnover. This all-in-one cream is perfect for your face, hands, and body. You can reduce the number of products on your shelf while giving your skin the care it deserves. Made without fragrance, and is paraben-free and non-greasy. It targets dry, rough, bumpy, flaky, and scaly skin, helping you reclaim soft, touchable skin. Amlactin is the dermatologist-recommended moisturizer brand with lactic acid. The therapeutic formula works with your skin to boost its natural renewal process through gentle exfoliation. What we like? This cream is designed to smooth rough and bumpy skin. It combines exfoliation and moisturization in one product, simplifying your routine. If you are looking for a product that can tackle rough patches and leave your skin feeling soft, you should consider this. What people say? Body lotion doesn't smell great but does an excellent job hydrating and smoothing. This drastically minimizes the bumps, evens out her skin tone, takes away that ruddy, irritated look, and reveals the beautiful ivory skin she has underneath the KP. This one does the job and quickly gets them back to perfectly healthy skin within a 2 to 3 days max, no joke. Number 3. Amlactin Foot Repair Cream, Dry Cracked Heels. Are your feet feeling rough and cracked? This powerful foot cream is designed to give your feet the care they deserve. It gently exfoliates and deeply hydrates to soften and smooth tough skin. This fast-acting formula intensely hydrates to help heal splits and cracks. It contains 15% lactic acid, a gentle yet effective AHA, which exfoliates dead skin cells and promotes skin cell turnover. Elevate your skincare routine with this celebrated foot cream. It moisturizes while exfoliating, replacing the foot care products that haven't delivered results. It's time to show your skin some love. This paraben-free, rich, and non-greasy formula is made without fragrance. It safely restores and maintains touchable feet from heel to toe. It's ideal for rough, dry feet with splits, cracks, or calluses. Amlactin is the dermatologist-recommended moisturizer brand with lactic acid. The therapeutic formula works with your skin to boost its natural renewal process through gentle exfoliation. Try it today. What we like? This foot cream is specifically formulated for dry, cracked feet. It exfoliates and deeply hydrates to soften and smooth tough skin and calluses. If you like having soft and healthy feet, this cream is a must-have. What people say. The texture is thick but absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, and the lactic acid helps gently exfoliate while deeply moisturizing. It absorbs quickly without being greasy, and the 3-ounce size is perfect to keep by the bedside or in a travel bag. Works well with cracked feet. Non-greasy and very moisturizing. Number 2. Amlactin Intensive Healing Body Cream 12 ounces. Are you tired of dry, flaky skin? This cream is designed to gently exfoliate and deeply hydrate your skin. It reveals rejuvenated skin all around in just one step. This award-winning formula is made with a high-quality, pH-balanced lactic acid blend and ceramides. It boosts healthy skin renewal through gentle exfoliation, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. With 15% lactic acid, this cream provides potent skincare. Clinical trials show significant skin improvements with this concentration. It's designed to give you the best results. This paraben-free, non-greasy formula is fragrance-free and safe for sensitive skin. You can restore your skin with confidence. It's ideal for flaky, ashy, and dry skin. Amlactin is the dermatologist-recommended moisturizer brand with lactic acid. This therapeutic formula works with your skin to boost its natural renewal process. Try it today and feel the difference. What we like. This cream provides intensive healing for dry skin. It's enriched with ceramides and clinically supported for its effectiveness. If you are looking for a product that delivers deep hydration and helps restore your skin's natural barrier, then this is the one for you. What people say. It's helped a lot with my KP, hyperpigmentation, and skin texture issues as well. The lactic acid exfoliates gently while keeping my skin hydrated, and I've noticed a real difference in the bumps on my arms. My legs have never been so smooth to the touch and the bumps are gone. Number 1. Amlactin KP Bumps Be Gone, Moisturizing Cream. Are you tired of rough, bumpy skin? This moisturizing cream is designed to gently exfoliate and deeply hydrate. It helps you reclaim your skin and achieve a smoother texture. The fast-acting formula uses 15% lactic acid, a gentle yet effective AHA. This ingredient exfoliates dead skin cells and promotes skin cell turnover, revealing the healthy skin underneath. This product is both an exfoliator and a moisturizer. You can reduce the number of products on your shelf while still giving your skin the care it deserves. It's a simple solution for complex skin concerns. The paraben-free, rich, and non-greasy formula is made without fragrance. It safely restores your skin to its natural form, targeting stubborn bumps and scaly skin. It's ideal for keratosis pilaris. Amlactin is a dermatologist-recommended moisturizer brand with lactic acid. This therapeutic formula works with your skin to boost its natural renewal process through gentle exfoliation. Try it today and feel the difference. What we like. This cream is specifically designed to target keratosis pilaris, also known as strawberry skin. It gently exfoliates and deeply hydrates to smooth bumpy skin. If you are struggling with KP, this product will help you achieve smoother, more even-toned skin. What people say. It really heals KP. Not at all greasy. My bumps are all gone, except for any near my eyes because it says do not use it there. My skin not only has no rosacea bumps but it feels smooth and moisturized. I then used it on the bumps on my arms, which is what it is intended for, and yes, absolutely works. This product works wonders for strawberry skin and stubborn ingrown hairs. It gently exfoliates and smooths out rough patches by helping release trapped hairs, leaving skin noticeably softer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.